apple. Iwan ko may nagsabi na hindi daw tutubo yung apple dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero, hello mga kabaryo.
Hello, Mama Cabario. Good morning, Philippines!
Ay, ay, ay. Pag-ibig. Ang haba. Tignan nyo gaano kahaba siya, guys. Look. Ito na yung pinakamahabang gulay sa buong ito na yung pinakamahabang string beans, I think. Look, tignan nyo yan. Diba? Diba ang haba niya? Oh. Oo. Aabot doon. Oh. Grabe, pinakamahaba talaga. Ang haba. Pwede pa dito ni ano o ganun o. Para dyan muna siya kasi mag-harvest pa ako. Diba? O dito. Kung pabayaan ko to sila, mahaba to guys. And then, kunin na natin kasi lutuin ko na siya. Look. Lutuin na natin. Ang daming mga ano, mga magsasakang ants. Oh, daligaan. Grabe guys. Kunin na natin ito kasi lutuin na natin. Lutuin na natin sila. Diba? Meron pa dito. Alin pa ba? Ito, bata pa man sila. Oy. Bata pa man. Look. Ay, nako. Ito, bata pa. Ito, pwede na to. Kunin na natin to. Saka dito sa kabila. Uy, meron dito din. Look sa ilalim. Kunin natin yan. Hindi natin nakikita. Dito din, oh. Diba? Marami din tayong harvest, guys. Look, oh. And, din pa. Meron pa ba? Tignan natin dito sa mga sulok-sulok. Sulok-sulok na. Kunin na natin itong atong pinakamahaba. Nag-iisang pinakamahaba. Tignan nyo. Diba? Meron pa din dito. At saka dito. O, diba? Alin pa ba? Wala na. Wala na. Tara, luto na tayo. And then, meron tayo dito kamatis. Kunin na natin sila para i-gisa. Look. Diba? Gisang kamatis. Saka meron pa dito. Mamaya na yan. Look. Mag-gisa na tayo. No. The longest one of them. The longest string beans. Look.
It's massive.
Yeah, this is the longest I've ever seen. Right?
It's huge.
Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna add the string beans over here. It's old already, oh. Look. So, that's it. Let's cook it.
Morning, guys.
Hi, guys. Good
Had a
morning.
coffee, went next door, let out their cat so he could have some time outside.
Okay, why you do that? Okay, explain.
The neighbors went away for the weekend and asked if I would mind taking care of the cat and letting him out and then feeding him and putting him back in at night, make sure nothing happens to him. So that's it. So I'm back here finishing my coffee. Then I'm going to shower and maybe we'll get a couple of things done.
We have to donate. We have to go to Goodwill. We're gonna donate the old clothing of my mother-in-law and shoes. Anyway, I have a video of that. I can't find it. Anyway, guys, good morning, everything. And Tommy is good morning, mga kabaryo. See you intro.
Good morning, Mara Caballo.
He always raises his eyebrow when he can't talk properly. He do like this. It's almost 8 o'clock na ng umaga and yun, pahinga-pahinga kami. Always naman pahinga, oy. Tommy always like relaxing, oy. Always over here, oy. Okay. Itong couch kasi, guys, it's a comfortable place to sit. and lie down. Otami always, dito yun siya dahil guys, nakaano lang dito, nakahilata lang palagi dito sa couch. Kasi, gusto niya, komportable siya sa bahay niya. Parang may pillow, may blanket, may cover, everything. Kasi nga alam na may mga alaga tayo. So, kaya yun. So, pag may makita kayong mga cover, mga blanket, mga pillows sa couch namin, kasi gusto namin, yung parang couch namin is relaxing. Pwede tayong mag-nap dito, pwede tayong mag-ano. At saka sobrang komportable ng ano nito, sobrang soft na couch. Ay guys, andun ako sa labas. Mainit na. And, tingnan natin kung andito ba yung pusa. Tingnan natin. Nakita ko kasi yun kanina eh. Asan kaya yun? Asan kaya yun? Itong groundhog talaga. Si Lily. Liam! Lily! Asan kaya yan? Ay, yung apple natin dyan. Buti na lang ito. Buhay pa, oh. Buhay pa siya kahit sobrang dying na siya ba kasi kailangan niya ng tubig. Tubigin ko yung hapon mamaya. And kailangan kong magpunta sa additional padala sa Pinas. And yun, kapag magpadala ako sa family ko, meron akong i-extra 1 person para sa ating subscribers or viewers. Pipili ako sa YouTube or sa Facebook. So, yun yung gagawin ko. And, yun, maligo na rin ako, guys, kasi, ano na, what time is it? 10:23. Sabi ko kanina, diba, na mag-alis kami, mag-donate kami ng mga gamit ni Bianan. Kasi, ang dami na punog, nagdapunog lang. Nagmuni-muni pa ako dito, guys. Kailangan ko lang magmuni-muni kasi bagong ligo, charot. So ngayon, nagpunta lang ako dito sa labas kasi hinahanap ko yung pusa ng kapitbahay namin kasi alam nyo na. Pero bago nyan, chinecheck ko itong naipiras natin. Ang daming puno pero walang bunga. At nakikita nyo naman kung bakit. Hindi sila nagbunga ngayong taon kasi sa sobrang init hindi kinaya. So yun, and then meron ako dito nakita na bula parang ito sa kapitbahay kasi maglaro-laro sila andito mapunta. So nakita ko na lang, buti nakita ko kasi hindi madagan na ng lawnmower natin, masira yung blade. So yun. So hindi ko nakahanap yung pusa, guys. Dito na lang ako sa apple nagtingin-tingin. Ang ganda ng apple. Iwan ko may nagsabi na hindi daw tutubo yung apple dyan sa Pilipinas, pero hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero i-try ninyo, guys, may liso naman yung apple dyan, diba? So i-check lang ninyo kung baka tutubo yan. Hindi natin alam. So, yun. So, hanap-hanap lang ako ng pusa. Ang tinitignan ko lang din itong yard ko. Ang pangit dahil puro patay. And then, ako naman nagbuni-muni sa apple. Sana hindi makagat ng ahas. So, yun. O, diba? So, picture-picture na yun. Muna. Pakag-ahas. Kuratan. Charot. Anyway, so ngayon, hindi ko talagang kita si Liam. Kasi, iwan ko. Responsibilidad kasi namin siya, guys. Kasi iniwan siya sa amin. Kaya yun. Nag-worried lang ako. I said
Guys, I'm just boiling some water with sugar for the hummingbirds. This way it has time to cool down before they finish the one that's out there. Because we get about 8 hummingbirds now, so they drink a lot.
8?
Well, the most I've seen at one time is 8.
Wow, that's a lot.
Usually you'll see at least 4 or 5, but the most I've seen at one time was 8.
Hello mga kabaryo.
Hello, Monica Barrio.
Kabaryo.
Cabarrio.
Yeah. Can you say that, like, this is my intro now in this page, guys? Like,
I said this is my intro now, but I don't know if I'll be able to re-say it. But hello, Monica Barrio.
hello, you don't even know to say hello anymore. Did you see?
I said hello. What? Hello, I know. Monica Barrio, that's a little different.
Kabaryo. Barrio. Like
I know
a town, a little
I know
town.
the barrio is.
Oh, you know barrio? That's mom's language, you know that? Yes, that's Spanish, huh? Español. Barrio.
The sugar is just not dissolving very well.
Oh no, it's dissolving. It's just a little kind of that's a bubble in
Well, I
under.
noticed some of those bubbles, but there's also some sugar. I see the swirls. As it boils, it'll dissolve better.
Okay, it's boiling too much now.
It's not boiling at all. It's still heating. It's not
Can
boiling.
you say it again? Hello mga kabaryo.
Hello, Mama Cabarrio. Hello, Mama from the barrio. What?
No, mana mama
Mama?
ka.
Mama?
Can you say it?
Hello, Papa from the barrio.
No, cabarrio.
Hello, Macabario.
Why do you have to dance?
Macabario. Mama Macabario.
Cabarrio, guys. I'm gonna teach him how to say it properly because that's a nice thing. Tommy's intro mixed with a little bit of like intro for like people from the town.
Oh, that's easy. Hello, people from the town.
Okay, he's making some halahan. Hala, it's too hot. Uy, ginuo ko. Uy.
I like it to be too hot.
No, it's too hot. It's too hot. That's
That's
it.
fine.
Ay, ginuo ko. That's it.
Laundry boils.
That's it. So, even though he's in pain, guys, he is in pain. He's still doing something for the birdies. Sit.
They gotta eat. They don't care if you're in pain or not. They still gotta eat. They're hungry. So, your pain shouldn't stop them from eating. So birds should starve to death because I got pains? I don't think that works.
That's why they're birds, han. They know how to
No,
look
sorry,
for
that's why they're
food.
birds.
No, they know how to look food. God
do.
made them to be like
They do, but
resourceful.
there's not a lot of food for them around. Not around here. That's why when we first got here, we saw like one hummingbird. Now we're up to 8.
Oh my
Because
God!
now there's more food?
What if we're gonna have like a lot of them? That means we have to.
We'll have to get more hummingbird feeders.
No, that means you have to get a swimming pool of food.
A swimming pool full of sugar water.
Yeah.
Oy, oy, oy.